Hey guys, this is Adam from Metro Hobbies. We have some awesome new Bandai stuff in a big selection, as you can see. Some really fun stuff from different series, different grades, everything to sort of suit your Bandai needs, something to tickle everyone's fancy. So let's start off with one of the bigger kits. We have the HG Ginn from Mobile Suit Gundam Seed. This is quite an impressive kit. Again, MG master grade, so it is 1/100th scale. The thing I love about this, comes with very few beams sort of things. It's all solid weapons, that sort of stuff. A very brutal sort of style. And quite a good kit too. Lots of good articulation, that one, and very menacing. And yeah, something for the MG fans. And we all know one of those in our lives. Next up, we have from the anime and manga series 86, we have the Juggernaut Units. This is the general purpose type. These are very unique sort of thing for Bandai. I love it when they sort of branch out into different things like this. This is 48 scale, so this is not usual in Gundam 144 scale or, you know, even something like a 1/100 scale. This is comparatively bigger in terms of scale, but these are really cool little walker drones. There is a lot of deep lore behind them. Unfortunately, I haven't seen the series, but just in terms of aesthetically pleasing, these things are absolutely fantastic. Very unique and will look good on any display. Then we go on to something for the Kamen Rider fans. Master Rider Ryuki. Very Dragon-esque aesthetic here. I love the metal on these kits. They really have that sort of gunmetal, very stylish sort of look, and the color contrast on all of them is very fantastic. It's something very unique you only really get with these, and maybe the Ultraman sort of style ones. So quite a unique sort of section there. Then we have some of the new Pokemon kits. So we have Scorbunny, of course, you know, the rabbit, fire type. Everyone loves fire type starters, Charmander, you know, that sort of stuff. You can't go wrong, Cyndaquil and the like. But yeah, very cute, very adorable. These ones do not need tools to assemble, so good for the younger generation. And we do also have little Piplup there. Very adorable, water type, very cute. Stickers on these do come up very nicely, so very easy to apply. So again, something if you just want something to relax with or something for the kids, that sort of thing there. And we do have, next in the HG range, again from Seed Destiny to be precise. This is the Dagger L. As you can see over the weekend, I've managed to put him together. A bit of a busy weekend, so not as much time on my hands as I would like. But he is a little rock. This thing is great if you want a nice, solid set of, if you wanted to get 3 of them and have a little special forces sort of team. They are fantastic. The posability is really good, and they come up really sharp. There's a good lot of color separation. I do like that subdued sort of look they've got going with that darker bluey grey white sort of color, and no stickers either, which is great in HG, much like Mugen Gundam, how they're doing less and less stickers in this. It's just really fantastic, and I hope they keep doing that because it just makes it that much easier to sort of put together and less to worry about going wrong. Next we have Spherical Striker Mugen Hatsuho Shinonome type. This is from Sakura Wars on the PlayStation 4. Very fun game, and these kits are very unique. They're like miniaturized sort of mech suits. They have some really interesting proportions. Big head, big legs, smaller arms, and there are quite a few in this range that we do have down here at Metro Hobbies, and they are there's something different. I do love the whole mono sort of look in the eyes, that monocle sort of look. Very unique. Of course, you know, anyone who's a Zaku fan or a Zeon fan knows what I'm talking about. And speaking of Gundam, we go on to the big boy. This is very cool. This is the, excuse my pronunciation of this, I'm probably butchering it, the Kaisa Gundam, Kaisa being a letter in the Greek alphabet. This is from the new movie coming out, Hathaway's Flash. Hopefully it will be here soon. But the actual model kit you can get your hands on now, and this is an absolute beast of a high grade. It is gigantic. It stands toe to toe and even bigger than some of the MGs. So it is really something awesome. It's big, it's bulky, it is so bad, so good. It's everything you want out of a massive kit. And yeah, something very special there. Get prepped and get psyched for the film, eh? So that's a bit of an overview of everything we have in, guys. Feel free to come on down and, you know, check out what we have. We're always happy to have a chat about all the fun things that we love in the hobby. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like our videos, and if you have any suggestions on stuff you want us to cover, we're happy to check it out and see what you guys think. Thanks a lot, guys. You take it easy. Bye.